Hmm. There it is. All right. Need to get everything under control, kinda. So everything makes sense when I'm looking at the code. Um, Inside the editor. Also just in here. I should probably have here, because this is the next thing I'm making, is the crouch. And I just watched the tutorial, and it should be fairly easy, but you know. It should be fairly easy to do this, but he used a character controller, and I do not know if that also applies for a rigid body. If not, I might go with the character controller, which means that I need to re-get that again. Okay, so let's put this up here. And this also up here. And then I guess this here could be a header for other scripts. Yeah. Let's see here. So door as well. Door. Wait. Do I even use door? Where do I use this? Navigate to usages. No, no uses. Get that away. Yeah, it's because it's on the interact. Yeah, that's true. Hmm. Oh. Whoops. Yes, let's see here. So there's some perks here, which I have here as well. So let's just put those down together and then make a header for this. Let's make this here. And these two here. Oh, and this there. Because then I can just say that this header for this is perks. Input. Oh yeah, do I even use acceleration? How much of this do I actually use? Okay, I do use this. I use that and that. Do you use max speed anywhere? Oh yeah, I do here. And walk speed as well, sprint speed. Okay, so now I think I have almost sorted everything. I think this should also go up into move speed and acceleration because it's the velocity. Where's it? Oh, way too far down. Do I use desired velocity? No usages. Really? Okay, let's just try and do that. Okay, so desired is not there, so now we have these two. Oh, health. This should go here. Took damage should also be there. Downed. And grenade here. Grenade can go down to its own thing here. Grenades. Because there's still some things I need this. Player inputs. Let's do that there, and then make this a for player input. Yes. I think I've gotten most of this. I could place all of these up here. Like all the floats I could just have placed in one. For each here. Or for each of these. Oh well. Yeah, so the next thing is just place this here, I guess. So I guess it's just a private enumerator. Crouch stand. Then I need to remember what he did. So, oh yeah, I need to put some things that I need. So let's see if the things. Okay, let me just check my player right now. Because I've got just a collider on it. Did it not work? Okay, I'm gonna check. Yeah, he did that. And he got these things, so why do I not get it? Okay. I also need to check, because he did have some... let me see, where is his camera?
Bit confusing, but you'll see that in action. So let's start adding these in. We pop maybe a little bit confusing, but you'll see that in action as we're coding this. So we also these center like some select will perform music.
Yeah.
That's
Gonna go back to the... Come on.
Currently set up. We hit play. Left control.
Why did he show the...
And actually shoot crouch actually go center option right here. And currently we haven't used this, but basically what it is, it's the actual center point of your first person controller. So currently we are at 0, 0, 0. And if we move this up, we see that our box collider actually moves up with it, or our capsule collider rather. And the reason we need to amend our center point when we're crouching is because we're going to amend our height. And if we lower the height down, you can see that our camera doesn't actually move with it. So our collider may shrink, but our camera won't look like we're crouching. But if we shrink our height down and then increase our center point, we see we can recenter that camera to a more valid eye line. Now that may...
Okay, so basically... So basically, I cannot do the standing center, but I can do the... way... So with a rigid body, I need to change the camera itself position. Yeah, need to change the camera's position. As well as the rigid body. I think the character controller would have made this way easier. Oh wait, I do have a height on it. Let me just check. Oh yeah, so the height actually just... Okay. So what I need... I'll just copy paste the code, I guess. It's gonna be the same. Just me, I'm not gonna use the controls thing, I'm just gonna use this down here. So he does have... He has a 3 floats, 2 vector 3, which is the crowding center and standing center, and 2 bulls. Okay. Where did I put crouch? So... General private crouch or float, and then he called it what? Crouch height? Yeah. What? No. But do you need that? Is there something I'm missing? Because what he does here is just have this here. I really wanted that those things in my script. Okay, so crouch height. Then there's stand height as well. Yeah, I need the stand height. That makes sense. And then I need... What? Oh, time to crouch. Yeah, okay. Yeah. And we can initialize this to 0.25. The stand height to equal 2, I guess. And crouch height equals 1. Or does he not place those? Oh, no. So he places it at 0.5. Then there was the vector 3s. I do not know if I need the vector 3s, but private vector 3. And that is the crouch center. Is equal to new vector 3, which is 0, 0, 0.5, 0, and it floats. And kind of get the same, just called stand center. And this is 0, I guess. And then there is these were just privates, but I guess, yeah, I could put them serialized field, but those is crouching. It's crouching. And private bool is crouched. So crouching is what is doing it. Oh, yeah, he calls it doing. Yeah, maybe that makes during crouch. I'm gonna call it that. During crouch. Yeah. And with that, we can kind of need to find it. There, crouch stand. And then there's also, I had to kind of look up. But yeah, let's just see. What did he write? Yeah, so time elapsed and stuff. Yeah, I have to know. Yeah. During crouch, it's equal to true. Then he has the float. Oh yeah, so he does some local variables. Time elapsed equals 0. Float target height, and that is equal to the is crouched. And then we do the always forget what it's called, but yeah, doing that, and then we get either the stand center or the crouch center. Oh no, the heights. Crouch, height, and stand height. Yeah, that's more like it. Current height is equal to, and that's the. Oh, and then he gets the character. Oh yeah, so here I just get the rigid body. So, no, I get the collider. Um, that's just get component because it's on it. Collider. Dot. Uh, is there no height? I know there's a height on it. There's a height right there that I can see. Is it just a private? Oh, maybe it's because it's not collider, it's capsule. Collider. Dot height. Oh yeah, that's why. So we get that. And then he does the vector 3 target center, which makes sense. Then again he checks if you're crouched, and then either stand center or crouch. Oh, crouch center. And then, oh yeah, he has a center there. Do I have a center on mine? No, I do not. But do have the player camera, which I've set to like 0.5. Okay, so let me just, I guess the player himself, let's just turn on the mesh renderer and some of the gizmos so I don't look at the gizmos for it. Okay. So I have this guy right there, I guess. So, yeah. Let's set this to 0.5. Oh, 0.5. Okay, that's very small. That's 1. So I'm just a ball. Wow. Okay. like 0.5, I guess. Does that make sense? Yeah, that should probably make sense. Oh, I do have a center right there. I guess that's it. So yeah, I can actually do the center. Bracket current center is equal to, and then that's again just the capsule collider. Maybe I'll just get the collider up here in the at the top. Need to put this as like um, general stuff. So basically all the general stuff here. Do that. And then maybe I should make that cameras, but yeah, let's just keep that. Size field, private, collider. Oh no, it's a capsule collider. Capsule collider. Player collider. Let's go back down to this. Yeah, so capsule collider. Oh, player collider dot center. Yeah. And here I can also do player collider dot height. And I want to do this in it. I want to get that when you awake, because if I do it in the start, if you die and your player gets destroyed, you need to be activated again at the end of the round, which means that you will get instantiated somewhere. I would say look at just a random place in the areas, maybe, or maybe close to your friend. I guess close to your friend, to one of your friends in the same room, and then just make a spawn point in that room. Guess that makes sense. So in the awake, yeah, I do that as well there. So player collider is equal to get components capsule collider. Yeah. And then I can do the same thing as he does here. Cool. That should be crouching, I guess. So now I think the next thing he does is a while. Yeah, so while time elapsed is less than crouch. Time to crouch, right? Yeah. Then we get character. This is not character controller though. it's the player collider dot height is equal to mathf dot lerp. So yeah, then we get the current height to the target height, and then time elapsed divided by time to crouch. Yeah, then the player collider that center is equal to, and then that's the vector3.lerp current center target center, and then the time elapsed divided by time crouch, and then time elapsed plus equals, and then that is it? Oh, you can just do time to delta time. Nice. And then here you yield return null, so you don't return anything. And then here you set, just to be safe, you set the player collider dot height equals to the target height, and player collider dot center is equal to the character, no, the target center, and then during crouch is equal to false. So now we are out of the crouching. Yeah, there's one more thing he did, which was really cool. Let me see if I can find that. Oh yeah, so he checks if you're crouching and under stuff, then you're just looking upwards. And then there's how fast you're moving, but yeah, I don't have that set yet. Oh yeah, I need to is crouched is equal to, yeah, not is crouched. So basically it always changes. Yeah, that makes sense. Here, yeah, so if I'm crouched and then I shoot a beam up physics.raycast, oh, he starts at the player camera. So camera dot transform dot position vector3 up, basically just looking up, makes sense, and then just 1f for the distance. Yeah, then yeah, I don't even need these. Yield return, yield return, no, yield break, yield break. Yeah. So now I should be able to be able to crouch inside my game, which should be really cool, but I'll still move pretty fast. This guy's really good. That was a really nice tutorial. I think I'm also gonna look at his head bobbing tutorial, because I want a head bob. I want the head bob when you run, but he also says that he wanna make it so you can actually disable it as well, which makes really good sense. So yeah, I think I'm gonna add that as well. Maybe not today, but there's also like when I'm aiming down, I need like sway on your gun a bit. I think I'm just gonna use like Perlin noise on the camera when you do it, and that just match the thing so it's not, it sways, which should make sense. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, now it works. Nice. Let's see here. Crouch height. Is that 0.5 I've said? I don't think I'm gonna put 0.5. I'm gonna put 1.5. So it's not a lot, but maybe it's enough. Set the height again, and then this should to be 0. Saved works. Oh yeah, and I need to call the thing. Yeah, my god. Need to call the thing. On stance. Start. Coroutine. Crouch stand. I'll just start that coroutine. What happened with all my UI here? What's happened with my UI? Why is my UI like that? Okay. I need to do if context dot performed, then start coroutine. So it's not both ways. Is it because it keeps running it? Okay, I need to check my... I think this should do it. Why is my UI like that? I do not like that my UI is messed up for some reason. Oh yeah, I need to save the asset. Duh. Why is it gone there? Huh. Okay, now that makes sense. And it now I need to like add so you don't move as fast. Yeah, I think there's a small thing right now with it. It kind of works. Just think there's a bit more to it before it really works how I want it, but this is fine for now. Because now you can actually crouch. Wait, crouch center? Crouch center should be not that, it should be 2.5. Now I won't go as far down if I remember. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. This is still fine. Yeah, the inspector does so much on it. But I still believe there's still some stutters. Was it because I ran into this? Let me see. Nope, it's not that. Well, it's mostly smooth. Now, smoothness can be fixed, I'd say. So now crouch works. Although with a bit of a it's a bit I think it's because it sets the it sets is crouched even though you're not supposed to be or to not crouch, but now I'll just check it because I think that's what is happening. and if you spam your control key, you don't like you don't go up again. So let me just see here. It's the player. Crouch. It's crouched. Yeah, so now I am crouched. Or I'm not crouched, it says. But I have the crouched model. So now I'm crouched and now go up. So there's something I need to... I think it's just I think the only thing I need to change is basically, I just need to find it. There it is. If player collider dot height is equal to crouch height. So if the height is crouch height, then crouched is and then I'm just gonna do false here. Or that, wait, that's true. Wait. Wait, what? Oh, that's why. Okay, so no, let's just do less. If the height is less than the stand height, then is crouched is true. Else is crouched is equal to false. Now it should set it. So right now, let me see. I'm not crouched, yes. No matter what, even though I crouch like crazy. It always knows if I am crouched or not crouched. This makes it a bit better. But yeah, this really... There's really some high... Well, it's because of the inspector, from what I can see. It's the inspector that does most of that. But when the inspector's not there, there's no updating in the side panel. It runs 400 FPS, which is kind of low. To be honest, it's kind of low for what it actually has. But yeah, there's some optimization that needs to be done. But now crouched is implemented. I need to change the speed based on it. Yeah, I'm doing it right here. This is for the air acceleration. Why do I do the sprinting? Sprinting. Okay, else if sprinting is equal false and down. Yeah, so I'm doing it right here. Jesus Christ. Yeah, and I can make this to this kind of thing. So now the half of the walk speed is the crouch speed. Yep. Nice. So now crouch is complete. You can now crouch. Cool. Now let's make knockdown. Because now I've made the crouch. I don't think you would ever go prone in zombies, but so let's not program in crouch yet or prone. But if it makes sense, then maybe. But at least, so yeah, I still have the speed. So what I need now is knockdown, I guess. Knockdown. So for this, we need all the same things. So we need a realized field, private float, crouch, no, knocked hide. Knocked hide. And that is equal to 1, because that was the smallest I could get. Why are you not like that? Nice. And it's a float. Let's just keep it clean with that. Then let's field private float. Well, I already get the stand height, so don't need to do that again. Just need the knocked height. I can use the tie. So I think I'm actually gonna to stance change. Time to stance change. Go all the way down here. Time to stance change. Because then it's the time for the stance change that I'm looking at. And then I also need the camera, kinda, or the center. So I need the knocked center. No, that's a vector 3. Knocked center. I don't know what that's equal to yet. It's knocked. Yeah. Didn't I have downed? Yeah, public boot downed. Where do you... Okay, using that actually a lot. Okay, so instead of doing knocked, let's just use the... Do I need the public actually for it? I don't think I need the public for it. Yeah, I'm not even using it. I'm only using it in here, so shouldn't it be able to just be private? Yeah, there's nothing. So I think it's because I thought about making, but we can change that. So knockdown, instead of having is knocked, let's just have downed instead because it's already a thing. I don't think I need it during knocked. Um, so now I kind of need the same thing I just made for the crouch stand. So I kind of need all this again, but for knocked. Gonna call it downed. Um, don't think I need this. Or this. Yeah, time elapsed, time to stage change, because I'm doing another elapsed. Then I'm checking downed, basically. I'm checking downed instead. And then knocked center. Knocked height. Yeah, I'm still setting it, so. Now I need to call it somewhere. And I think I need to call it, it needs to only be called once. Let me see where, okay, it needs to be up in the update. Else if downed. Okay, actually, I think it's here. If current health here. Yeah. So if current health is less than or equal to 0, then I run the quick revive. If I have quick revive on, I got down. If I'm multiplayer, it needs to have more. So I need to find the. There it is. because then here it needs to run the other one. So the coroutine downed. Yeah. I think I can set the current health here instantly, because then it runs only once. I just have to do it after jug is set false. Or just set it. Do I have start health? Yeah, I do have start health. So guard health is just going to be set to start health, and then run the coroutine. Yeah. So now, if I have quick revive on, I should be going down. Let me just see. Yeah, knocked. So the Noctide was 1, right? Which means, let me just see here. So 1 would be like this. 1.5 is this. So yeah, it's a bit more. Now let's find. Yeah, so it's this should be 5 at this point. Yeah. So knocked center here is 0.5. Let's see if this works. So first I have to set the perks. Quick revive. Let's see. Taking some damage. Huh? I didn't go down. I think I need. Maybe I missed something. Oh yeah, here. What am I supposed to do here? I'll check the stream quality real quick. Yeah, this looks fine, I guess. Yeah, it looks fine. But I don't want to set the... Um, because I'm setting if I'm downed in... where was it? Here. Here set downed. Hmm. Let me just check the... yeah, here. When, yeah, I need to put the quick revive though on. Let's just do that while we're testing it. Okay. Huh? Okay, so now I'm just not invincible. Or what? Oh, maybe it's because I'm running it. Yeah, maybe it's not because... Yeah, it's probably because I run it inside. Probably because I run it in here. But what I need to do... Because basically it runs this and then waits for 5 seconds. But it's probably never get down. But I'm not invincible though. Yeah, maybe. Let's just... let's start the coroutine here. Let's start that there. And then... Have I said... Yeah, I have almost 800 lines on this. Damn. No, so here. And then I also changed this. What is start health? What is start health set to? Isn't it set to 100? Yeah, it's set to 100. Is something else not set? Health. Yeah, this should be it. Yeah. Let's see if I go down. Yeah, now I'm down. Yeah. I kind of have to, when I get up again, to run this kind of. But I think the reason why, well, it's not run again, which is the first reason. Uh, I think it needs to just run this again. Because I did get down. I did get downed. So, but I also think I didn't set the right, maybe I didn't set the right high. Yeah, I did. Okay. So it's basically I didn't do, yeah, because it should be the stand height. Let's see. Huh? Didn't get down. I think it, oh yeah, maybe because I am running it twice now there. So, yeah, okay. I think I get it now. So, shouldn't call it twice, but just have, well, wait, and then do it again inside of it. So, yeah, it should be right about here. So, the downed one there before, because before it worked. Now, what I need is I need to find it. Down. So what I need now is um I need a way to make this so oh yeah, I think maybe it's this one that is kind of causing it because it's lower than the stand height. And player collider that height is larger than the downed Loctite, I guess. Yeah, it's inefficient, but yeah, I guess because now it checks if it's only crouched if it matches those. Yeah. I think this is fine though. I think this is fine. Let me just check. It's crouched. Yeah, it's still, it kind of makes you load at the bottom still. But you do get knocked down, which I like. But it has to kind of, maybe I can just, after this, or maybe after, no, wait, this is the crouch. Okay, so it's here. So, yeah, here, and then if, no. Yield, return, new, wait for seconds, 5F. Or maybe actually 4. Yeah. And then it should do this again. Maybe 4.5. Because you have 25. So yeah. And then actually just do all of this again. But the time elapsed is equal to 0 again. Float. No. So target height is equal to the same here. Current height is, it's basically all the same. Just without defining new variables, but just waiting a bit, then doing everything again. then doing everything again, and then it should be fine. And it's a coroutine, so it should run parallel, I guess. Get knocked. Yeah, and I get out, but I lost my invincibility. So maybe, where do I set invincibility? Should be set not there, but yeah, I can just do, well, the invincibility. I don't think it's gonna be a problem because I'm gonna send the zombies away from you if you're down, so you don't get swarmed and can't get out. Um, yeah, this worked. Let's set this to 6 seconds. So now I have a bit more time. Kill me, zombies. Oh. Ugh. Yeah. Did I take damage? No. Or maybe I did, but yeah, I probably did take damage, but it's not. Yeah, so now Noct is also created. So now you can do Noct as well. Uh, yeah. Otherwise, wait, no. What I'm gonna do is create the same type. Just see here. So what I'm gonna do, uh, what I'm gonna do instead, because it should have been here. Because from what I can see, yeah. So the way I'm gonna do this is because I also have to make it so I can like players can revive each other. So if you revive each other, you wait for like you have like elapsed time, and then when that like when you get rest, you have to be called to like go up again. So what I'm gonna do is actually just taking all of this, extract the method, and then this is revived. Or revive. Let's just call it revive. For going up again. So now we have this. All of the same things apply, except these, well, yeah. Kind of just have to add this. This to the top. And just add all of these again. Like this. And then just call this let's start here. See if it breaks anything. Like that. Okay, I'm down. And I can get away. Yep. Now the revive time should be kind of like, if you have quick revive on, your revive time should be half. So, but I think I can do that like pretty easily. So this should be it's like a variable. So if I am in, if I have quick revive on, and I'm using the revive on you, like the instant I put the revive, like I click or I do revive, I think I can set this to 5. Then it's just a half of whatever. So yeah, it just sets the revive time, whatever you have. And if you're solo, the wait for seconds is just that. So yeah, it's just the normal revive, because then it's a normal revive. Yeah. Is there power up? No, it's the carpenter thing. Breakable limbs, breaking variable damage, map, guns, grenades. Yeah. Oh yeah. I continue with the grenades, I guess. So just from what I expect to do is basically just add an overlap or a box. I don't want a volume. What is it called? Maybe it's just in here. Inside the script itself. Yeah, so here it should get a list of zombies. Because it's oh yeah, it's physics. Physics dot overlap sphere. Then the position is the game object. The transform dot position. And the radius is 3. No, that's actually kind of big. I think 2. 2F for a start. Was there any more? Oh yeah, it could be a non-alloc, but can I do more in here? Oh yeah, layer mask. Here we can say But it should do damage to everybody. Uh, objects to damage. Yeah, objects to damage. Then for each object, no. For each object in objects to damage, if object dot compare tag is player, get component maybe I can do it not in update, but in like grenade void grenade explode. Yes. Yeah, so here, this is just running the awake, I guess. So time before explosion is equal to explode time. Um, Yeah. Well, this is larger than 0. Well, this is larger than 0. Um, we can put it here. Fix the indentation. Then while time before explosion is larger than 0. Time before explosion minus equals time delta time. So each time oh yeah, it's because it's not. Yeah, so exploded is true, then it makes this overlap sphere around. Then for each of these, and then there's a damage calculation. Hmm. Let's see what's a good like. Uh, Based on damage calculation based on distance to object. Just make sure that the distance is always less than or equal to radius. Yeah, okay. We can do that. Object.transform.position. Oh, there's a distance. You can just do. Oh, okay, so it's like this, yeah, okay. And then you get C as a collider type, so basically we get the object dot transform dot position to this object dot position. So this dot object. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I can just do this. Yeah. Mm. Mm-hmm. Just do it like this. Divided by the radius, which is 2f. And then we can use this again here. Mm. yeah, then I have to serialize field, have it max damage. That's a float. And then there's a min damage as well. Wait, then I cannot do this. Then I need to do this and then say this is percentage. Float percentage. And then I can do his here, which is the damage, which is he does one minus percentage. Oh yeah, so yeah, and then times max damage minus minimum damage plus minimum damage. This way I get this way I should get the right amount. So I just need to set the max and minimum damage. So maximum damage, let's just set that like incredibly high now. And minimum damage to be 100. So now if I do this. Oh wait, did I call? Yeah, I don't call this, so update is not needed anymore. But instead we call grenade explode on awake. Where it simply just counts down. The second it's below, keeps going. Let's see if this works. Up! Up! What happened there? Why did I go through? Huh? Why did I go through? Oh, it's because I do instant damage. That's why. Okay, so it's because I do instant damage. Oh, is it because I don't set the explode time? I do set the explode time. So why? Hmm. Okay, I want to see what happens here. On the one that, like, it's instant. Okay, it's because it's instant, but it shouldn't do that. Oh, and also just enumerator. Oh yeah, it's I enumerator. Because now I don't need this. I don't need this while loop. What I just need is wait, yield return, wait for seconds. And then we put in time before explosion. So it did do damage to me, but now I should be able to throw it. Yeah, now I can throw it. Let me see if I can hit the zombie and make it explode on him. Explode? Please? Oh. My god. Start routine. I'm stupid. I'm a stupid. I'm a stupid. It's because I didn't do the one thing that gets the go routine started. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Explode. Okay, maybe I need to do this. Get it close, get them close. Did that do damage to any of them? Wait, this one did take damage. I've not shot anything, so I guess that might. It just plays a lot of stuff. So, do they do damage at all? They do have collider on, right? Zombies? Do you have a collider on? You do have a collider on. Yeah, and it should compare the tag of the object in the collider. Oh, Well, I'm asking it for... I'm asking it to explode, and when it explodes, do get a like a sphere around where it takes and then at the end destroy the object. Okay, I'm gonna try throw it and stand on it myself. Yeah, I take damage. I take damage. Fuck you. Why do they not take damage? They do. They do take damage. They just take no damage. It's almost that as it. Oh my god, that's why. That is why. That is why. Percentage. That's why. Yeah. Now they should take damage. Now I should be able to clear like a whole come on, take damage. Okay. Okay, maybe some took damage. Okay, so they were outside, I guess. Oh god. Okay. Okay. Okay, they're 100% not gonna get hit. My god. Okay, this looks promising. No? Nobody got hit? No? Nobody got hit. Did I make another mistake? No. Okay, it does kill. It does kill. It's just very, very small. Okay, so it's just the radius is just not very big, I guess. Serialized field, private, float. Private float. And then we get the explosion radius. Explosion radius. And then we give this the explosion radius. This the explosion radius. And this the explosion radius. Now we can kind of. Now we can have a bit of fun setting this. So let's set this to 10. I don't know how big 10 is, but that is probably big. Yeah, that is very, very, very big. Did the player take any damage? No, I would die if it was, but yeah. But now I know it works now, so that is nice. Still a bit too big, I guess. Nice. I don't know if max damage should be that, but yeah. I think a lot of this is pretty good now. I think this might... 4 might be it. And then when I do so, they have... See how many it kills. Yeah, that seems fair. That seems fair. Maybe a bit more, but yeah. This seems better. Does the zombies per round still spawn with more health? Hmm. Yeah, they do. They still do. Yeah, but now a lot of zombies get spawned. I really want to destroy them. So when they die, they just die. They just... Uh... Hmm. 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 Ah, I think it works now. Yeah, okay. Now I don't get zombies littering around. Or maybe actually... Because if I destroy it instantly, nothing happens. Maybe actually setting it like this, but right after this, because this still exists, and then do a private enumerator Zombie corpse remover, which just return. Oh, and also takes game object. Zombie. Zombie. I guess. Because then what it needs to do is just yield, return new, wait for seconds, and then it just needs to wait like 30 seconds. But let's just do 5 seconds, or 2 seconds for now. And then zombie, or destroy zombie. And then just call this right after it's been set active. Then we just call the zombie corpse remover with the zombie to remove. Oh, start coroutine. Zombie to remove. Maybe do that before. Then now when I kill a zombie, it should be set inactive, but a second later it should disappear. So let's see. Yeah, it really, and yes, that is exactly what I wanted. Yes. And that's just in the game manager, so doesn't really matter. It's the zombies that inhabit. This is the one that spawns them, and the zombies just know they are zombies. That's about it. Now they should do damage a bit easier. They should be doing more damage. Or they should be faster at damaging me. don't know if they do damage at the moment. Yeah, I took damage. Can I run past this guy now? Oh, that was fast. Jesus. Can I run past this guy? Okay, so that's kind of fast, I guess. Okay, got... Damn, that was fast. I think it's fine for now. Hmm. Let me just think. Because yeah, the zombies now. Power ups is carpenter. Maybe. Well, the next part is probably. I probably need to create. I probably need to create the breakable barriers now, but I don't feel like doing that right now. I really do not feel that right now. I think more that I want to do maybe variable running speeds. So if it's a walker or if it's a sprinter. I think that's more what I want. So yeah. I don't feel like making anymore. Like it kind of made what I wanted to. Grenade, maybe grenades. The thing about throwing them. That's something I wanted to check there. I'll throw grenade. Yeah, it is an if. Oh yeah, this here. So dodge. Use gravity is equal to true. So what I want to do now is do this instead. And then see if I can make it able to cook in my hand and then throw it later. What I just need now is the grenade itself. Hmm. This should be enough. Oh yeah, maybe I probably need to... Yeah, I need the prefab. That was what I forgot. The prefab here. This should not use gravity as start, but do it right after I let go. But it doesn't do it. My God. Okay, now it just spawns two. Let's see what happened with those. So this one doesn't use gravity, this doesn't use gravity. So because there. Grenade rigid body is equal to So now I want to see what it Yeah, I can see why it doesn't move with me. At least. Let's see here. Grenades is one of last things. Oh. Okay, now it works. Yeah. But it's because it instantiates it. And then it throws it. Does it do that twice? Oh yeah, it does. Maybe this should do it so it doesn't do the same thing twice, but it just does it once. See if this makes it so... Oh yeah, nice. Now I have to make it follow me. Or could I do it without instantiating it before throwing it? But then just do that after whatever it does. It instantiates and just explodes instantly? I think so, like this. And then here we just do or no, it's just don't think yeah, let's just do this, but then this rigid body or this transform on it. Wait, can I just actually I get the rigid body on it. What I do here is then I say cooking grenade. Wait, no, grenade. Rigid body. The game object. Game component. Oh wait, no. I already have it here. So dot can I not set it? what can I do? Hmm. Ah. What? Yeah, but it's not that thing I want to set active. It's not the whole game object, it's just the... I just want to set this. Oh, you can't do that with a rigid. Oh, okay, so you can't do that with a rigid body. Okay. Well, then just, I guess... Because I've set it, so now I can just, you know, in the grenade itself, I guess, actually. Then just an update. I can do we get the player? No. And how should I be able to get the player, actually? Can I get the player? No. I don't think there's a way I can get the player. Exactly. So I think here I just say grenade rigid body dot transform the position is equal to transform dot position. So now it's on my position, and then whenever I do, so let's see here. Huh. Something wrong here. Oh yeah, it does that all the time, I guess. Yeah, so what it does, it keeps. Oh. If um No, this doesn't make sense. To do what I need it to do, though. What I need it to do, though, is it needs to... Maybe if contest started, then here we can say the grenade rb.transform position is equal to transform position. So now it's if it started, and then if it's canceled, it just doesn't, I guess. Or maybe it's because it's performed, and let's see. Ah, no. Maybe performed. So if it's performed, then it follows the player. No, it doesn't. It kind of instantiates it. Wait, can I say cooking grenade dot transform dot position is equal to my position, and then that is the one? No. An easy fix would be that you couldn't cook it in your hand. It just instantiated when you released. I think I'm gonna do that, actually. I think this just takes too much time. Just get it to instantiate and do everything here, down here. So now you can hold. So what I'm just gonna do is make the animation, and you cannot hold your gun. So the equipped thing is your so the equipped thing is the grenade itself, and nothing else. So basically, yeah, I'm doing an animation, so the gun is away anyway. So it's just if it's if throwing grenade or something, then you cannot do it. Still need to do something in performed, but right now nothing in performed. So now I can actually hold the grenade down, and it will only throw it. Huh? Okay, now it doesn't do anything. Really? Really? Oh, it's because, yeah, this is why. Just needs to do it. It just needs to... It's not if it's null, it just needs to do it. Yeah, that's fine. Now they work like CSGO grenades, I guess. Now there's melee. I have to add melee in. Have I put melee somewhere? Melee. So now you have to get your knife, I guess. It needs just, it can only hit, no, it just hits the zombie in front of you, I guess. So I think it just a melee zone, I guess. So just create an empty here. Melee zone. It's another layout player, but it's untagged, so you can't get double damage from it. And the only thing I need for this is to place it. Yeah, so now there's a melee zone. What it just has to do is uh, what is it for drawing? A gizmo? Gizmos. Yeah. Draw. Yeah, draw sphere. And then here, this is the Melee. Yeah, I need to make that up here. So here, utilize field, private, game object, melee zone. Melee zone. Then down here, melee zone. Dot get or dot transform dot position. Hmm. Yeah, I guess here. And this is melee. Utilize field, private, float, melee range. And then this is just based on the melee range. Is that all there is to draw sphere? Yeah. Yes. So now there should be a gizmo. Oh yeah, it's at the top. Melee zone there. Let's pause the game instantly. And then in the scene. So right now there's no melee, so it's nothing, I guess. So okay, here it is. Damn, this is just bad. Oh well. Don't think there's anybody in here either way. So yeah, gonna stop the stream.